Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I released a video, so I thought I'd make a start and produce some short form videos to get that content back out there. I just wanted to have a quick chat with you about this, which is Filamentive's new filament. I was lucky enough to receive all of the new colours and it is great. So this is the rPETg, which is recycled PETg. There's a very high content of recycled material in this, and it comes on the standard now with Filamentive fantastic cardboard spool. I think that personal opinion is this is the best spool on the market. I just really like it. It's robust and yet it's, you know, because it's cardboard recyclable, and also you know, quite good with the bouncing on the floor kind of accidents that you might have. So just one of the other colours there is the blue, and you can see hopefully that is quite nice, and that was printed on the Prusa Mark IIs, and eventually it will be Tarek Saber's Superman model from CG Trader. And actually I'm really impressed with it. I can't speak highly enough of the filament. I really do like it. There's a range of other colours are here, so the orange, the grey, green and the silver, and they are just really great. They're the same great printability that we've come to expect from Filamentive, and you know, you get the big advantage, I guess, of the credentials of it being recyclable or recycled and recyclable from a spool point of view. So all good stuff, and definitely worth taking a look at. If you're in the UK in particular, the service I can vouch for is really great from Filamentive. They're very responsive, and certainly the delivery times and cost and everything is spot on. So definitely go and take a look. I will definitely be printing more of it. It's being PETg, it's also pretty good for some of the practical prints that I want to do, but you know, it does just print really nice, so you can use it for the more decorative stuff as well. If you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I promise that I will get back to creating more content. And so if you subscribe to the channel, then you'll see those new videos coming in, and I would appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you next time.